Josh coming at you live from Joe and Joshua's Sister Revs and Reviews, and today we're looking at Hot Shots Games, 3-ball shootout. Challenge your friends and compete. Sorry, I thought I said complete the challenges. Compete head-to-head in challenges. 1 to 2 player action simultaneously. Comes with finger shooting action, easy assembly, which it really is easy. 2 ball launchers, includes many multicolored balls. Shoot and line up 3 balls in a row and win. Kind of like tic-tac-toe. Or you can just make it a competition where, whatever. You can just make it a competition game where whoever gets their balls in first wins. Back of the box, exact same thing. Opening it up, they retail for $7.99. Some places are cheaper, some places are higher. Excuse me for 1 second, I lost my balls. They give you 2 different colored balls, orange for the guys and pink for the, Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like, fully assembled, and I will be trying this out so you guys can see exactly how it works. Prepare the overdramatic shot cams. This has been Josh from Joe and Josh's History of Reviews, and I'm signing out.